Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Before we start our lesson, let us recite 5 surah. The first one, Surah Al-Fatihah. The second one, Surah Toha ayat 1 hingga 5. And then Surah Al-Inshirah, Surah Quraish, and Surah Al-Ikhlas by 3 times. After that, selawat ke atas Rasulullah SAW selama 2 minit. Dan kita niatkan selawat kita ni yang pertama untuk memenuhi perintah Allah Subhanahu Wa Taala, kedua untuk memenuhi hak Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, dan yang ketiga untuk mendapat syafaat Rasulullah di akhirat kelak. Dan kita niatkan juga segala bacaan hafalan surah kita ni dan selawat kita ni untuk kedua orang tua dan seluruh umat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Kemudian doa sebelum belajar. Semoga dengan amalan ini akan membuka pintu hati para pelajar untuk mencintai ilmu dan mendapat ilmu yang berkah. Amin.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم
الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم طه ما أنزلنا عليك القرآن لتشقى إلا تذكرة لمن يخشى تنزيلا ممن خلق الأرض والسماوات العلى الرحمن على العرش استوى. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ألم نشرح لك صدرك ووضعنا عنك وزرك الذي أنقض ظهرك ورفعنا لك ذكرك فإن مع العسر يسرا إن مع العسر يسرا فإذا فرغت فانصب وإلى ربك فارغب. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم لإيلاف قريش إيلافهم رحلة الشتاء والصيف فليعبدوا رب هذا البيت الذي أطعمهم من جوع وآمنهم من خوف. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم قل هو الله أحد الله الصمد لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد. 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 محمد اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل 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 محمد
Doa sebelum belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma aftah alaina hikmataka wanshur alaina min hazaini rahmatika ya arhamar rahimin. Ya Allah, bukakanlah ke atas kami hikmat-hikmatmu dan limpahilah ke atas kami khazanah rahmatmu. Wahai yang maha pemurah lagi maha penyayang.
Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Ya Rabbku, lapangkanlah untukku dadaku dan mudahkanlah untukku urusanku dan lepaskanlah kekakuan dari lidahku, supaya mereka mengerti perkataanku.
Amin.
Amin, amin, ya Rabbal Alamin. In this session, we're going to discuss about percentage increase or decrease and also discount. So can you please get ready with your notes, page 27 until 30, and your worksheet, page 28 and 29. Learning objectives. At the end of the lesson, students should be able to solve real-life problems involving percentage increase or decrease of a given quantity, including discounts. Steps to success. Number 1, identify percentage increase or decrease. You need to know either the question is about percentage increase or about percentage decrease. The second one, recall the formula to calculate percentage increase or decrease. And the last one, recall the formula to calculate discount. And actually, discount you already learned during your primary level, so you need to recall the formula and how to find out the discount and also the net price. Now, percentage change is all about comparing old to new values. Either the percentage change is about percentage increase or percentage decrease, it is all about comparing old to new values. Now, here we focus with percentage increase first, and this will be the general formula how to find the percentage increase. So here will be the percentage increase equal to amount of increase, and you must know which one is the original value. Alright, and whatever quantity that we need to express as a percentage, we need to multiply by 100. The number of handphone users was 229,678 in 2005. There are 420,072 handphone users this year. What is the percentage increase in the number of users? Give your answer correct to 3 significant figures. And first of all, you need to highlight or underline the key information. And this one will be the key information, and this one is another key information, and this is the key question. It's about percentage increase. And for this information, you need to find out which one is the original value. So the original value will be 229,678. Right? Now we move to the solution. First, you need to find the amount increase, and to find this amount increase, you need to subtract. Alright, 420,072 minus with 229,678, and you will get 190,394. After that, because of this question asks you about percentage increase, so you need to express this value in terms of percentage. Move on with step 2, you need to find the percentage increase. Now, back to the formula to find the percentage increase. Here will be the amount increase, and below here at the denominator will be the original value. Alright, so we substitute this amount increase with 190,394 divided by 229,678, and don't forget to multiply with 100. Right? So you will get 82.896%. And when we read back the question asks you to give your answer to 3 significant figures. Therefore, you need to round off your answer here nearest to 3 significant figures like this. Therefore, your final answer will be 82.9%. Example 2. A bakery gained $650 profit for selling assorted desserts last year. Alright, and there is an increase of 4% in profit this year. Find the new profit. And in this example 2, your problem is not about to find the percentage increase. Your percentage increase is already given by this 4%. So here you need to find the new profit. So how? Alright, now we move with the solution. Highlight the key information. $650 is your profit. That will be the key information. And don't forget that will be the profit for last year. Alright. And your percentage increase is 4%. So actually your missing part is the new amount increase. Okay, the new profit. Now, find the amount increase. Amount increase, you use that 4% times with 650 here. Alright, the original value. And then you will get 26. And in these questions, to find the new profit, instead of subtraction, we need to use addition. Okay, we need to use addition because the profit is increasing. Therefore, the new profit will be $650 plus $26, and your answer will be $676. And your final answer will be 676. We move to percentage decrease. Here will be the general formula for percentage decrease. Same like percentage increase, but here we focus decrease. Okay, amount of decrease will be the numerator, and denominator will be original value, and don't forget to multiply with 100. Example 3, I will give you 1 minute to try. It's just same like finding the percentage increase, but here we focus with percentage decrease. I give you 1 minute to try. Okay, the population of a village was 5,000. There is a decrease of 180 people this year. What is the percentage decrease of the population of the village? Okay, and circle all the keywords. And then for percentage increase or decrease, you need to know to identify the original value. And here, which one is the original value? 5,000 or 180? And the answer is 5,000. It is very important for you to know the original value because we need to put that original value at our denominator later on in our formula. And then percentage decrease will be 180 divided by 5,000 times 100. Whatever about percentage, you need to multiply by 100. And the answer is 3.6%. Example 4. I give you 1 minute to try. Okay, example 4. The price of a notebook computer was 2,000 last month. There is a decrease of 5% on the price this month. What is the new price of the notebook? So here you can see different way how they ask about the questions, okay? Therefore, you need to know how to play around with the formula to answer the question given, okay? And here, the percentage decrease is given 5%. And you need to know the new price after the percentage decrease. And the original value is 2,000. And therefore, your step 1, you need to find out the amount decrease first. Amount decrease, you use the percentage decrease given times with original value. And you should get 100. After that, your step 2, you need to find the new price. New price 2,000 minus 100. And the answer is 1,900. Therefore, the new price will be 1,900. Now, we move to discount. Businessmen reduce prices of their goods to attract customers during sales or festive seasons. Such reduction in prices is called discount. Okay, goods here means items, alright? Discounts are also given with the purpose of clearing or selling old stocks or goods before new stocks are put up for sale. Here will be the formula that you can use to find the discount or to find net price or to find the usual price. Alright. Now, D here is discount. UP means usual price and NP here means net price. Alright. And actually you have learned about discount during your primary level. So that knowledge is still applicable here. Your discount, here discount divided by 100 times with UP is the usual price. Alright. And sometimes this net price is called as discounted price. In exam questions, sometimes net price we call as discounted price. And here will be the formula to find the net price. And we can manipulate this formula to find usual price if the question asks you about to find usual price. Now, let's try example 5. The usual price of a watch is $450. In promotion sale, a 20% discount on the usual price is given. Calculate the net price, price after discount, or sometimes we call it discounted price. Okay, and by now you should know this symbol. This symbol means 20 out of 100. Now, we move to the solution. Before that, you need to underline the key information that is very important. The first one is usual price 450, and then 20% discount. And what the question one, the key questions, here you need to calculate the net price. So your step one, the discount, find the discount. Discount equal to 20 out of 100 times with UP. UP is usual price 450, and you should get $90. After that, we move to step 2. Your step 2, you need to find the net price. Net price equal to $450. You minus with $90, and you will get 360. Therefore, the net price for these questions will be $360. Example 6, I give you 20 seconds to try. Okay, a department store is offering a discount of 10% for all toys. How much discount will John enjoy if he wants to buy a toy bear that was selling for a usual price of $15? In these questions, the question just asks you about discount, and therefore you just need to find out the discount. Circles or underline all the important keywords, and then discount will be 10% times 15, and the answer is $1.50. Example 7, I give you 1 minute to try. Okay. Example 7, find the amount Dia paid if she bought a bag at a discount of 5% on the usual selling price of $65. And here, when you ask to find out the amount paid, that means you need to find out net price. Okay, circles all the keywords. And method 1, you can directly subtract 100% minus with this 5%, and then the net price you use 95%. Okay, so 95% times with 65, and you should get $61.75. That is your method 1. Your method 2, here we have 2 steps. First, you find out the discount first. Okay, and then 5% times $65, and the discount is $3.25. And for your step 2, you need to find out the amount paid. So $65 minus $3.25, and still you will get $61.75. And the advantage for your second method, if you have mistake in any of your calculation, at least you will get 1 mark for subtracting here. Okay, you still will have 1 mark for subtracting here. 65 minus whatever the answer here is, you will still get 1 mark if it is 2 mark questions. Okay, and the disadvantage of method 1, this one, once you made mistake with this number here, then everything will goes wrong. Okay, so you will not get any marks at all. That is the pros and cons about method 1 and method 2. Example 8, the last example. So I give you 1 minute to try first. Okay. If I paid $45 for a shirt after a discount of 10%, what is the usual price of the shirt? And here the UP is missing. UP is the total. So if UP is missing, how are you going to answer the questions? How are you going to find the answers? Now, if I paid, when you see the word paid, that is the net price. Okay? Net price is given, discount is given, so usual price is missing. Usual price, okay. I show you this one. How the usual price split between the discount and also the net price. Okay. Usual price is the total. And in terms of percentage, usual price will be 100%, correct? And that usual price will share with discount and also net price. The discount is 10%. And of course, the net price will be 90%. Okay. And the question here is, the net price is 45, but the total is missing. Okay. So how are you going to solve this kind of questions? I will show you this in terms of formula. Net price equal to 90 out of 100 times with UP. Net price is 45 equal to 90 out of 100 times UP. So UP equal to 100 out of 90 times with 45. So UP equal to 50%. And if you realize here, we are doing multiplicative inverse. Here we are doing multiplicative inverse. Okay. From here, if you want to find out that UP, okay, it is just simply UP equal to multiplicative inverse of net price, okay, and times with 45. And how we get this 90? 90 once we subtract with the discount. Okay, and you must know this type of questions. Whenever the total is missing, we're going to do the multiplicative inverse and times with net price. Okay, if you're still confused, you try to do it step by step, and then you should able to figure it out. All right, and this will be the last part for our session. Don't forget to complete your notes with complete workings, your worksheet, and as usual, we will end our session by reciting dua. Thank you so much, and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Doa selepas belajar. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma inni astaudi'uka ma 'allamtani fardudhu ilayya inda hajati ilaihi wala tansani ya rabbal alamin. Ya Allah, sesungguhnya aku menitipkan padamu ilmu-ilmu yang telah engkau ajarkan kepadaku, dan kembalikanlah kepadaku sewaktu aku memerlukannya kembali. Dan janganlah engkau lupakan aku kepada ilmu itu, wahai Tuhan yang memiliki semesta alam. Amin.